Hitag2 chip car is one of low-frequency 125 kHz frequency car. It's made of PVC or PET material, and you can customize its size, color, pattern, etc. Compared to other low-frequency 125 kHz RFID cars, Hitag2 chip car has more advantages such as 250 bits non-volatile memory, contactless play data transmission, and encrypted data transmission to read and write modes via radio frequency link. Has better safety performance and radio frequency performance. With these advantages, the Hitag2 chip car are mainly used in public transport systems, logistic management, livestock checking, access checking, DX cylinder ID, industrial automation, and so on.